We're gonna do some Qigong, and Qigong is beautiful, not just the heart, but as a way of free your energy. This is perfect for that days that you're feeling like low mood, low energy, and you don't know how to put yourself back. This is fast, and you're gonna feel marvelous when you finish. Just put your comfortable clothes, relax, and join me. Easy peasy. Gonna start right. We start by putting our hands in this position and just stop a tiny bit with your hands in front of your belly to harness the energy and the balance. Starting to move slowly, but after we pick some energy, and what we do in here is just start warming up the body. Just go around, have fun with it. It's fun. Keep your legs moving and go faster and faster. And now stop with grace. Just pull your hands and balance. You can just kneel a tiny bit to make your body feel more warm. And keep the movement gracefully. Move, and now we change. And in this movement, just let it flow. We're flowing the energy, achieving the chi. Going around, you can put your hands in a triangle shape. And just put the leg up. And what we're doing, we're arming up our wrists, our legs, our feet. Just round one to the right and after to the left. It doesn't matter too much as long as you keep on rotating one foot, the two wrists, and the other one after. Rotating slowly. Keep on rotating. Now we're gonna just free that zone that is always so tight. Then first for one side and after to another one. We just let our body do the work and have some fun with it. Smile. Smile will bring you happiness. Now we're gonna start by moving gracefully on the R stance, open arms. Let yourself flow with energy, move calmly. You can go down if you feel like. You can just open your arms now and bring it to the center. Feeling your energy, and gracefully we're gonna do separating heaven and earth position. Just slowly move your feet to a place and put yourself in this position gracefully and open your arms and legs. Stand and breathe in, breathe out. Again, like a big foot stand. Put your arms in the air, go back and just go down gracefully and up again and throw your feet, stand on it and to the middle, open your arms and stretch down. Feel the ease, and now we're gonna go to drawing the arrow position. Just pull the arrow and let it go. Change the position and coming up to the center. Bring your chi to relax. Breathe in calmly, breathe out. Bring your hands in the beautiful position where we're going to separate again heaven and earth. It's a beautiful position, and reach for the stars. Let your hands go. You can decide to pull it a tiny bit back or just stand like this. Now, put your hands on the back and just twist. The other side, twisting. Feel that twisting on your spine. Then come to a position when you're controlling all the chi. And it's like you're moving to different positions for heaven and earth. Reach again for the stars. Feel that stretch is so nice. Smile. Yes. You're doing it. Now, again, the twist position. One side and another. It feels good. Open your arms and heaven and heart. Move and stretch. Reaching from the stars. Letting all this energy flowing through your body. Smile. And we stand now again. Twist. And another side twist. Twist. And twist. And heaven and heart. Constructing the energy and reaching from the stars again. Separating heaven and heart. Just stay. It feels good, it feels calm, relax. Now just open your arms and bring the chi to the center of your body. Keep your legs separate from each other. Bend a tiny bit your knees. Now we're going to go down and move like you have a big ball, beach ball. And with grace, go down, go up, and come to the center. To the other side, go down, bring the ball up and in front of you. Now through the back. Down again, up and to the center. Breathe. And come to a standing point. When you bring the ball to the center, you have your energy and you let the energy just tell the center of your body. Now you move with grace. Now just stretch like Van Damme position, this one. And we're gonna do some matrix. Go for it. And let all the parts of your body goes on this one side and turn to another. And just really lean back, feeling the stretch in all the places. And this is great for your spine, for your shoulders, to release all tensions. And it's a beautiful position anyway. Keep going. Relax all the parts of your body. That position is a big bear turn into circle. And now we're gonna just body curving, look up and down, up and go to the base and chi place. We're now gonna just relax our feet and do this tiny up and down. Keep your hands on the back. Bring it now to the front, and what we're doing is a massage to our hands. When we do these circles, we massage the both ends are interligate together. Can you see it? And you are massaging the hands and flowing the energy to the front of our belly. Now we're gonna just do this with our hands to make the chi flow through our hands. Resting, and now we massage our face, our heads. It's like we're spreading all this good energy to our face and make our back circulate all the good energy in us. And now we're gonna massage, giving little punctures to the back. The lower back, we can do that to ourselves, then why not? And now to our legs, up to our arms. Just keep on giving tiny punches and let that energy flow in. Feel how relax. Now we're gonna go to our chest, beating up on the left side first, right side after. Put your hands on your belly. Yeah, it's funny, I know. Now we're just gonna do some movements like this is the tiger movement, and we just taking all the energy off and have fun with it. Breathe in, come to the center. Now we're gonna do a big stretch. For the front, you like really clench, and after open and breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Clench it. Just feel that stretch on your back. Open really wide. Yes, and now just again clench, breathe and open wide. Clench and stay. Now we're gonna put our hands on this position. We're gonna work that shoulders and upper arms. We're gonna clench our fingers and move, rotating slowly our neck, feeling all that tension and moving the tension away. Really clenching on that, move around one side to another. Feel that tension and let it go. Now we take a moment just to feel. Can you feel your arms? Can you feel your hands, the tingle of the energy flowing? Appreciate this moment. Feel the chi on your body. Breathe in normally. Now we're gonna shake everything. And I'm shaking it really well. It's better you do it too. And shake, 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 shake. We want all our body to be shaking, to be releasing all the energy and to flow. Then take this shake seriously. And yeah, we're gonna be like seeing all our body shaking, but it's fun and it's good for us. Then have fun with it. Smile and shake yourself. And we're doing so well. Shake, 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 shaky. Smile and shake your body. We're nearly finishing. We're doing very well. We're just having some fun and taking some last energy releases. And now we're going to just go around This is great for your lower back, great for your spine. And round up to one side. And during the time, do a tiny massage with your fingers. When you go around, just massage your lower back over there. And that is helping a lot. Lots of parts of toxins getting out of your body. Then just massage when you're doing it and go really round. Just put your roundness to work right now. Go do it for one side and do it for another one and massage. Don't stop massaging the back with your fingers. Now we're gonna give some massage with our hands again. This is where all the toxins are. We have to take it out. Then just give a tiny bit of some little pound on that. Not on the legs. Pound your legs. Start by going down and up, inside legs. And this can look ridiculous, but it's very good. And now we do it all the parts in the back. It's great. And keep on doing it. The middle again. And now we just do it on our belly. Right side and left side. Let all these toxins release from us right now, our stomach. And breathe. Enjoying this moment. To your chest. Now we look like we're doing like some monkey business, but this is serious. Breathe in, breathe out. Releasing everything. Now we're going to go through our arms, and the arms we're going to give little slaps. The hands and getting up, slapping. Yeah, our hands together. Just flowing all the energy, our shoulders, taking all the tension away, feeling great right now. And just little taps around. And tap, 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 tap in the shoulders. Now come back to your chest, shoulder again, necks, one side and another. Really take some attention on the neck. Take all that pressure. Now relax a tiny bit. Let's come to this position. Put all to our back and relax our neck. And now we just stressing that energy off, relaxing, coming down, massaging. Pass your hands, flowing the energy, the chi from all your body now. Feeling great right now. And bring the chi together. Go through your neck, coming down to your neck, a tiny bit massage, flowing through your body. Massage the back, pass the hands through your lower back, your legs, up and down, come through the middle, and breathe. Come to the center, tiny massage over here. Just feel like you're feeling great, and thank you very much. It was nice. Namaste. See you next time.